Hello, all the students and actually, good morning. I hope you all are well in this pandemic coronavirus. Please stay home, stay safe. Spend your quality time with your family member. You can give your quality time in your study also. I hope whatever homework I am giving you in maths and science, you are doing it on time because whenever the school is going to open, I am going to watch all the homework which I have given you. So please be sincere and do all the homework on time. So today I am going to teach you science. Chapter 12 water. Chapter 12 is going on air, water, and weather. So we have seen air, we have seen water. Now we come to weather. Chapter name is air, water, and weather. So air we have seen, water we have seen. Now we see weather. Okay. So it is sunny or windy outside a day to day. Okay, weather can be sunny, weather can be windy, weather can be rainy, weather can be cloudy also. So the day to day condition of air at a place keep changing every day. Okay, the day to day the air, the condition of air keep changing, and that's why we say that it is written at a particular time, that is called weather. The day to day, the day to day condition of air, the day to day condition of air at any place, at any particular condition called weather. It means, see, today I can see that today is it is sunny, so we can say what, sunny day. When there will be cold wind, then we can say windy wind day. When there will be rain, then we can say it is rainy day. So it is depend on the air, the day to day air condition. So the day to day condition of air at any place. I am not talking about here, I am talking about for everywhere. At any place at a particular time called a weather. So the factor that affects the weather of a place are sun. What are the factors that affects weather are? It can be sun, it can be cloud, it can be wind, air, and water vapor. What weather affects our clothing and eating habits? Yes. See, when there is sunny day, what we do, we wear cotton clothes. Okay. We wear such kind of clothes which can absorb our sweat. Now, when there will be winter day, okay, when there will be winter day means cold day, what we do, we wear woolen clothes. Okay, we wear woolen cloth which does not allow air to pass through it. Now when there will be rainy day, what we do, we wear raincoat, jump boots. Okay, so weather can be sunny day, windy day, and cloudy. Okay, so you have to take three out of three types of weather. So first is sunny day, windy day, the last one is cloudy day. Okay, so one on one I will explain. On sunny days, the sun shines brightly and the days are hot and bright. Okay, on the sunny day, the sun shines very brightly. Sun shines very brightly and the days are hot and bright. Like now, this is the month of November is going on. You can say sunshine, but sun is not so much brightly. So we feel little bit cold also in this month. When we will come in the month of December, sun will shine, but it will not shine more brightly, and we will feel more cold. But when we will come to month of June, July, then sun will shine more brightly, and the days will be more hot, more bright, and we will feel what? Very sunny. So we prefer to stay indoor to avoid the heat of the sun. In sunny days, we prefer to stay indoors. Why? Because when the sun will rise, whatever the ray will be there, that ultraviolet ray which comes from the sun, that is very harmful for us. So we like to stay inside the home. In this, we use fans, we use AC, we use air to keep us cool. We wear cotton clothes, light cotton clothes. Now in these sunny days we wear cold drinks, means cold, which the food which is cold, and we also like to swim on hot days. Okay, but this you cannot do on cloudy days. This you cannot do on windy days. So when sun shines bright, then the day is hot. Okay, in this weather we used to stay indoors. Okay, we wear light cotton clothes. We used to food. We used to eat food which is cool. Okay, and we used to swim on a hot bench. Okay. So now we'll move to windy days. So moving air is called wind. Everyone knows that moving air is called wind. When a wind blows, we can see the branches of trees swaying. When you hung your clothes on the rope, then what is see how your clothes gets dry, because when winds blow, whatever the water is there, that gets evaporated. So we know that moving air is called wind. Okay. So a gentle wind is called breeze. A gentle wind is called breeze. A breeze. And we like to go out for a picnic or walk on windy days. Okay, on windy days we like to go outside for a picnic and for a walk, because the weather is very favorable. A strong wind is called, and a strong wind is called a storm. And storms cause destruction such as uprooting of trees, damaging of houses. Storms are followed, and storms are very dangerous. It can cause uprooting of trees, destruction of houses also. Cloudy days. So on certain days the sky is covered with clouds and the sun remains hidden behind clouds. Such days are called cloudy days. Cloudy days are usually cooler than bright sunny days. Okay, when the sun hidden behind the clouds. Okay, behind the clouds, the sky is covered with clouds in this day, and in this day, cloudy days is cooler than the what? Sunny days. Cloudy days is cooler than the sunny days is not so much cooler. Sunny day is just hot and bright, and cloudy day is cooler than the sunny day. And windy day, in this day we like to go outside for a picnic and for a walk. So till here I am stopping. In next class I will go for next topic, that is seasons. So for now, goodbye.